Hello everyone. Myself MD Humayun Kobir Rupok. I am now presenting our paper, EcoSupplyChain, a blockchain-based enabled dual flow framework for counterfeit prevention, profit transparency, and sustainable recycling. So my co-author Rakibul Hassan, MD Masudul Islam, and Shofiqul Islam. So let's talk about what is EcoSupplyChain. So basically, in supply chain we always notice that it's basically one directional. So from manufacturer to low level actor, it's just transfer in one directional flow. So basically, we proposed a system that's a dual flow supply chain management system in which forward flow ensures the distribution of products, and reverse flow ensures recycling and reward mechanism. So how can we actually encourage the entity of the supply chain that they are encouraged to recycle their waste. So it also ensures our proposed system also ensures counterfeit product detection and profit control in each layer of the supply chain. So each entity can actually check the product authenticity and also can check the profit, how much profit actually the seller actually taking from the buyer. So the buyer can check that also. So by considering recycling performance, a government authority ensures tax waive to the manufacturers. So basically, in the when a manufacturer performs well in the recycling, and they also get rewards from the government authority. So these are the related works they are working on, supply chain, blockchain-based supply chain, and they propose basically they propose the most of the papers proposed in one directional, and we found the gap that there is no such paper that's also actually talked about how reverse flow will work, and there few more papers actually talked about reverse flow, but they didn't actually talked about the recycling, how they actually encourage them to recycling. So we want to contribute in that part, reverse and also forward one. So this is our proposed architecture. So let's say we have a factory and manufacturer factory. So it first what it will do, it will produce a product and it will generate a unique hash based QR code system, and that hash will also push into the chain blockchain, and the QR code also attached with the products. When actually supplier buy that product from the factory, a supplier can check that how much profit actually factories are doing. So and also, supplier can check the product authenticity, that that product is actually made from a third party or not. So basically, it's the same process is follow for the lower level, like store will buy from supplier and buyer will buy from store. So each stage they can check the profit margin, and the product also check the product authenticity. And in reverse, that's the forward flow, and in reverse flow, let's say this plastic bottle, if that buyer actually return that empty plastic bottle to store, it will get the rewards according to the particular mathematical calculation, like the amount, it may be amount or it may be weight, how much weight actually they return to the store. So according to that base, automatically store from the store wallet, it will send to the buyer wallet some certain ether can transfer. And also for also this same process is follow from store to supplier. When store return that empty plastic bottle to supplier, then supplier will send the amount of rewards to the store, and when supplier actually finally return that product to the factory, then supplier will also get some reward from the manufacturer. And when manufacturer reuse that product to again produce their product, and they can show some if their performance is very well, then they can claim some tax waive from the authority in their organization or company. So this is the complete product life cycle of our EcoSupply chain. So basically, a factory opens our decentralized application and it connect with MetaMask account, and manufacturer will fill the product information and create QR code, and create hash embedded with QR code. That hash is inserted into the chain, and QR code will be can attach to the product. And basically before when it actually generate the hash, the hash must be signed using the MetaMask account. So and MetaMask account basically, then our proposed decentralized system will actually connect it with the Alchemy provider. Here can be any provider, but we can use Alchemy here, existing provider. And we have we must need a smart contract to verify or push the hash into the chain. So it actually stored in the blockchain, immutable blockchain, which is also transparent. Anyone anyone in the chain can see how much actually check the product authenticity, so basically the hash will embedded with the QR code. That's the last step. So in the verification step, anyone can use their device using our application. Through our application, they can scan the QR code and check the product authenticity. It will basically compare the stored hash and the current product information, and show the product authenticity results. So in the recycling part, buyer actually return the product waste to store. When it will return the product waste to store, it will again store will again scan the QR code to return the product. At that time, that product from the product information, the amount of the product will be automatically calculated, and the calculated rewards will be sent to the buyers. Accordingly, these are the similar steps, and the last step in the factory actually. Government authority here, the government authority can monitor each of the actor, like from manufacturer to buyer. According to the performance of the manufacturer, government can waive their taxes. So in discussion and conclusion, we are taking some properties like counterfeit detection, QR code authenticity, profit transparency, and recycling chain, and auto reward system, and government monitoring system, and also providing some research, providing some rewards. In our proposed system, we ensure all of them, but the existing system doesn't actually offer all the facilities in single platform. So in our future future work basically to improve the yeah, we can transfer it in the layer 2 solution, because scalability must be ensured if the users, if the users increasing accordingly. So we can also integrate IoT, basically that's we can get more accurate data from IoT and AI based system. So that's all. Thanks.